So now let's see how we can work around with the Bezier Warp effect inside of HitFilm. So to apply out the Bezier Warp effect, you need to go around over here under Effects tab right here, and then you need to go around and scroll down until you find the Warp folder. So once you go around and expand this, you can scroll down, and over here you can see that Bezier Warp is an option right here. If I were to go around and click and drag this effect out over here on my timeline clip, then you got the Bezier Warp right here. So with the Bezier Warp active, you can see that you get these corner points right here, just like this. So you can go around and click and drag these out right here, as you can see, just like this right here. So with the Bezier Warp, you can see that I can go around and change around the shape of this video right here, just like this. And you can use these Bezier handles right here. You can click and drag it out to go around and change out the shape right here. Let's say, for example, you can go around and change this out. That is, change the shape out as a piece of paper over here, just like this as well. So you can go around, and this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around and change this out as a piece of paper, as you can see right here. And this is what you have right here. So this is the Bezier Warp effect right here. If I were to go around over here on the left hand side, you can see the points right here. You can go around and click and drag out the points right here and move it into certain places right here. So let's just go around over here and click and drag these out right here, and you can see that you can go around and move out these points right here according to how you want it. So that this is what you have, as you can see. And let me just go around and press Ctrl Z right here, just like this. And what you can also do is you can go around and change out the tangent, as you can see right here. You can go around and change out the tangent right here, just like this. And then you can see that you get the same effect as you're clicking and dragging this visually right here. Similarly, you can go around and change out the top right tangents and points right here, as you can see right here. You can go around and change out the bottom left tangent and points right here, just like this, and the bottom right points and tangents over here, just like this as well. So that is how you can work around with the Bezier Warp effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.